In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Smartsheet report. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or looking to refine your skills, these instructions will guide you through the process of modifying a report to suit your project's needs. Let's dive right in. Start by navigating to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage. You'll want to get to the area where all your sheets and reports are neatly organized. Once there, you need to locate your specific report, the one you wish to edit, and click it to open. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're working with the correct report prevents any undue confusion later on. Now let's move to the top toolbar. This will be your main control hub for editing the report. Here you have multiple options to customize what your report presents. One key feature here is the ability to manage source sheets. This involves adding or removing sheets that your report pulls data from. If you've completed prior data collection from certain sheets, or need fresh insights from new ones, this step is essential to keep the report relevant and focused. Next, you'll want to decide on which columns will display in your report. This feature is crucial to avoid overwhelming viewers with unnecessary information. You can tailor your report by selecting only the columns that are most pertinent to your goals, ensuring clarity and enhancing your report's effectiveness. Another powerful tool in your editing arsenal is setting the filter criteria. This allows you to configure specific rules so that only certain rows appear in your report. For example, you might want to show only tasks with a status of "in progress." This precise filtering helps spotlight the data critical to your current objectives and audience. To further enhance organization within your report, you can use the grouping and sorting features. These help in arranging your data in a more intelligible manner. Whether you decide to group similar items for a cohesive look or sort them to reflect a particular order, these options provide control over how information is presented. Once you're satisfied with your changes, it's time to save them. Click on the File menu and choose the Save option to ensure all your edits are recorded. This step might seem small, but is vital to preserving the hard work and time spent customizing your report. Finally, your report should now reflect all the updated settings you've applied. Take a moment to scan through it, making sure everything appears just as you intended. Should anything be amiss, you can simply revisit the toolbar and make further adjustments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to edit your Smartsheet reports with ease, enhancing their value and usability for your team or clients. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheet editing.